So this is the problem we're going to take on, number 3, that says negative 5x minus 2 parentheses 3x minus 2 equals 59. So in this situation, the first thing we need to do, as with PEMDAS, is address the parentheses. We've got parentheses right here. We know that's distributive property. We also know that negative 5x has nothing to do with the distributive property here. We can cover that up, and we can cover this up, and essentially what we're left with is negative 2 times 3x minus 2. Everything else we'll bring down shortly. So negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. Now let's bring down everything else. Negative 5x, and the equals 59. Now we're combining like terms. So we have to look for like terms that have the same variable and the same exponent. We've got our x's. We see negative 5x minus 6x, and we think, well, if I owe 5x's and I owe 6x's, I owe 11x's. I can bring everything else down. I haven't done anything with that yet. Now we need to get x by itself, and I know I'm not done until x is alone down here somewhere. So in order to get x alone, I know x is being multiplied by negative 11 and added by 4. So let's do the inverse, PEMDAS backwards, subtract 4 from both sides. We end up with 55 equals negative 11x, because these cancel. We can divide by negative 11 on both sides. This becomes 1x equals negative 5. So we now know that x equals negative 5. The only way we're sure that x equals negative 5 is if we substitute it into that original equation. And I'm going to write the original equation right here. And everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put my negative 5. So I'll write down the exact same thing. And I know that this is negative 5 times x, so it's now negative 5 times negative 5 minus 2. 3 times x, so 3 times negative 5 minus 2 equals 59. Negative 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 2 times 3, we have our actually, let's do what's in the parentheses here. So minus 2. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Minus 2 equals 59. We can do now what's in the parentheses. So 25 minus 2 times negative 17 equals 59. 2 times 17 is 34, and a negative times a negative is positive. So we have positive 34, 25 equals 59. And when I add these two together, I get 59. So I know, yep, we got it right. 59 equals 59, and that's your proof that x equals negative 5. Thank you.